Git conflicts. Git conflicts. What is conflict and anyone? What is conflict? Developers always get the conflicts only. What is conflict? Conflict is the fixes, errors, issues. Okay, fine. Now, for example, three developers are working on the same application development. Right? So three developers are working on same application development. Okay, same code. Here, yeah, developer A is working on master branch. Developer A is working on master branch. Okay. So he added a file here in the master branch. He added a file, which is file name is conflicts.txt. He added a file conflicts.txt. So in this file, he gave the value x equal to 5. In this file, he gave the value x equal to 5. Right? Now, we have one more branch. We create one more branch here, which is development branch. Once we create the new branch, what will happen, Andy? Anyone? Once we create the new branch, what will happen?
Master data will be copied.
Yeah. Whatever the latest data is available on the master, that will be replicated to the new branch. Right? Latest data, whatever the data is available on the master, that will be replicated to the new branch. Right? So here in this second branch, development branch, developer B is working. So the code, same code will be same code reflected to the replicate to the new branch end. Conflicts.txt. Now, what he did here, so what developer, second developer B modified the code in development branch here. X equal to, he gave 10, the value he modified x equal to 10. Okay. Now, I create one more branch here, which is a hotfix branch. In the hotfix branch, developer C is working. The hotfix branch, developer C is working. Right? So developer C, once we create the new branch, again, the data will be replicated from master to new branch. Whatever the latest data is available on the master, that will be replicated to the new branch. So developer C also modify the code. And
I mean, the latest data is x is equal to 10, right?
what is that? Can you come again?
Latest data, developer B must have the x is equal to 10 as the latest data.
Developer B modified the code in development branch, did not merge into master.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now look at here. So whatever the latest data is available on the master only replicate to the new branch. Okay. Yeah. So here he modified the code again. X equal to 15. Developer C modified the code x equal to 15. right? Now, developer C, he merged this hotfix branch to master. Developer C merged the hotfix to master. So what will happen here? So this value will be updated. X equal to 15 will be updated. This one will be updated to X equal to 15. That is fine. But developer B also trying to merge the code to master. Developer B also trying to merge the code to master. Right? So Git will accept first merge and Git will accept first merge. Second merge, when any other branches, when they try to merge into master, so we'll get the conflicts. It will not accept. We'll get the conflicts. Right? So because, yeah, multiple developers always work on the multiple branches. First branch will be allowed, second branch will not be allowed. Okay? Second branch will not be allowed. So because, yeah, developer C, what he did, he merged the hotfix branch to master. This value updated here. Look at here. This X equal to 5 is not there in the development branch. That is why when you try to merge development branch, second developer is getting the conflicts. Understanding and everyone? Yeah, developers always face this issue only. Developers always face the issue. To fix this, what they will do normally, tomorrow I'll show you that. To fix this issue, developers always use the rebase command. Rebase concept I'll show you tomorrow. We'll work on this tomorrow, rebase. First we can work on this conflicts. Okay, fine. So first branch will be merged. Second branch will not be allowed to merge. We get the conflicts. Normally that is not best practice actually. So 10 branches also can merge, right? But it is not, if it is not merging, what they can do? That is not best practice. That is why they always use the rebase that I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, fine. Now, yeah, practically we can check this and practically we can work on this. But here, second branch, when they try to merge, developers get this errors, conflicts. In this case, developers, what they will do, they call you, they mail you, unable to merge the branch to master. Could you please check? Okay. So we need to tell them, wait for 2 minutes. Let me check. Okay. Here there is a tool, Andy. There is a tool which is Git merge tool. Git merge tool. So when we install Git, along with the Git merge tool also installed. By using this tool, we can check the errors and issues. By using this tool, we can check the conflicts. But we can check and we can guide them. We should not involve into the coding part. Don't need to fix Andy. మనం ఫిక్స్ చేయకూడదు, మనం ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వకూడదు కోడింగ్. రైట్? How can we check this? And once you check this by using the merge tool, we can take the screenshot and post into the development team. You can send the email. Right? Yeah. Fine. Now let's go back. Let's go on, work on this. Conflicts. Open Git bash here. Git init here. Once we initialize, now master is created, right? Master branch. In the master branch, what I will do, vi conflicts.txt, insert hi. This is conflicts test. Now x equal to 5. So developer A, in the master branch, there is a code which is x equal to 5. Developer A is working here. Okay. Now git add space dot git commit -m commit message. Commit message we can give conflicts on master. Now I want to create a new branch. I want to create a new branch. How can we create the new branch? Git branch name development. Development branch is created here. Now, if you want to check out, git checkout development. Now I'm in development branch. Now, if you check ls, same data is replicated to the development branch. So now in this file vi conflicts.txt, there is a data x equal to 5. So developer B is working on the development branch, is modifying the code. Inside, remove this 5 and give 10 value. He gave 10 value 10. Save and quit. Now git add space dot git commit -m commit message. Dev changes. Right? Now git checkout master. Yeah. So now I create one more branch, which is hotfix only. I create one more branch, which is a hotfix branch. Git branch hotfix. Now git checkout hotfix. So hotfix lo value anta untadandi? What is the value we have in hotfix? Anyone?
5.
5. X equal to 5, right? Vi conflicts.txt. Now look at here. In the hotfix branch, value is 5 because master is having 5 only, right? Now developer C is working on hotfix. He modified the code. X equal to 15. He modified, right? Escape, save and quit. Now git add space dot git commit -m commit message. Hotfix changes. Now the code is committed. After that, now developer C is trying to merge the code from hotfix to master, right? So for which git checkout master branch, go to master branch. Now is trying to merge the code from hotfix to master. Now git merge. So master is having cat conflicts.txt. Master a value on x equal to 5. Master is having x equal to 5, right? Now hotfix is having x equal to 15. Now hotfix branch we can merge here. Okay. Git merge hotfix. Now hotfix is merged to master. Now if you check here cat conflicts.txt, value updated. Look at here. The value updated here, x equal to 15. That is fine. Now second developer also is trying to merge the development branch to master branch. In this case, we'll get the conflicts. Now look at here. Git merge development is getting errors. Look at here. Automatic merge failed, fix conflicts and then commit the result. Is getting conflicts ending. Because Git is confusing. Which value is the correct value? Which value is the correct value? Git is confusing. Now, developers, what they will do, they call you, they mail you. Okay, we are unable to merge. Could you please check? So wait for 2 minutes. Let me check. Okay, now we can execute the command, which is git merge tool. Git merge tool. Enter. Now it is checking. Enter. Look at here. So here, 3 developers are working on the three branches. So same requirement, but they gave different values. One developer gave the value x equal to 15. Other developer gave the value x equal to 5. Other developer gave the value x equal to 10. So 3 developers gave the 3 different values. In this case, Git is confusing which value is the correct value, right? Yeah. So this screenshot we need to take and we need to send it to the respective team. They will check it out. They will fix the issues. So senior developers, what they will do, okay, x equal to 5 is the correct value. Anyways, you open, you can merge it. They will tell you. So that we can go and merge the value. Am I correct or not? When they ask you to merge, can we merge or not? No, Andy. So we should not involve into the coding part, right? If you commit the code or if you modify the code on your name, any single commit ID generated, so definitely you will be pointed, right? So whenever any issues happen, escalations happen, definitely you'll get warning emails. That is why we need to be very careful in real-time projects. Okay. So always we need to guide them, but we should not commit the code, not involve into the coding part. Fine. Yeah. So this is very, very important concept, conflicts, right? So today we discussed about four real-time scenarios, and Git stashing and also Git conflicts, right? So tomorrow we'll discuss about Git rebase, Git cherry pick, difference between Git and SVN, and also Git tags. 4 concepts we have. So with that, we are going to complete the Git tomorrow, right? So this weekend, no session, and the next weekend we'll be having sessions. Azure maybe, okay? This weekend, no sessions. Next weekends, we can have Azure sessions. Azure, Saturday and Sunday also we can cover Azure. Okay. Fine. So make sure everyone practice, and these concepts are very, very important concepts. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to complete the Git. So Monday onwards, we are going to start working on Jenkins. So we always connect the Jenkins. Our role starts from Jenkins. Jenkins is completely GUI and graphical user interface, right? So our role starts from Jenkins, right? Yeah. So up to here, everyone practice. If you are facing any issues, okay, you can take the screenshot and post into the group. Fine. Yeah. Thank you all.